haven't already, make sure to subscribe below. Jennifer Lawerence is very quirky, she's goofy, she's fun, she doesn't take herself too seriously, she's very talented, she's beautiful. My first memory of her is from Hunger Games. And that was the first time I feel like I ever saw who she was, and then she tripped at the Oscars, and then I just fell in love with her, the same way America did. I admire her for several reasons. I feel like when celebrities get famous, they become super glam, but she still stayed true to herself. Whenever she's on red carpet interviews, she always talks about how she hasn't eaten for a few hours and she just can't wait to get in there and get drunk. And it's just like, girl, I get you. I get it. You're me, I'm you. We are one. Okay, I'm ready to be transformed into Jennifer Lawerence. Where's my Oscar? Oh, yeah. This look is super early in her career, before Winter's Bone. She looks very just natural and dewy, like she's not wearing a lot of makeup. She doesn't have those long, luscious fake eyelashes yet. This look is very simple, but it's still classy. Her hair is very long and blonde. Ooh, yes, queen. Oh my gosh. I miss having long hair. I'm famous. I love Jennifer's awkward smile here. It low-key kind of looks like she just farted, but secretly liked the smell of it. I feel like we totally killed this look. So this is Jennifer Lawerence after she won the Golden Globe for American Hustle, and definitely more mature than the last one. I remember it was like hot goss, like it was a movement when she cut her hair. It's a shimmery, smoky eye with fakies. She has these long, dangly green earrings. Oh, weird. I look like a hot 60-year-old, but like for sure 60. To look very mature. So this is from the premiere of Mother. She's rocking a pink eye and some hot pink lip gloss. She has this basically the grown-up version of butterfly clips. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm vibing. You feel very feminine and glamorous. From her beauty evolution, I like that she's gone through different phases. Not all the looks were the same. One was more simple, one was more glitzy glam, and the other is more ethereal, delicate, soft. So it's fun that she's played with all kinds of different looks. She embodies everything that I love about fashion, which is fun and fierceness and grace. Thank you so much for watching. To see more videos, click right here, and to subscribe, right there.